As Ukraine has adopted the phrase "war is the mother of invention", they have come up with multiple drones that they can use in the conflict in air, sea and land. While air is the most common, this has also the widest innovation front, as dropping grenades to clean the battlefield, ramming tanks with RPG warheads, or as more commonly seen lately, hitting infantry with airbursting warheads. As each drone specializes on a target, it can do the job more effectively, as seen when one of these drones attack a group of Russian infantry, taking out most of them in one swoop, showing Ukraine's innovation in hard times resulting in more Russian losses. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.